Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the future. No, we're not going to talk about the future of our current economic system, thank God. No, we're not going to talk about the future of our social political environment either. Nor are we going to talk about your personal or my personal future. As a matter of fact, for me, it's a constant present. But today, we're going to talk about the future from an English grammar point of view. Okay? Now, I know, I was going to say I am aware, but for those of you whose vocabulary is not so proficient, I know that for many students, the future tense is the easiest. You know, I will do this and I will do that. But actually, it's a little more complicated than that. Why? Because in English, the future, the tense that you use, depends on the attitude of the speaker or of the writer. Depending on your attitude towards that future event, that is the tense that you're going to use. So today we're going to talk about three tenses. Future with will, future with be going to, and future with present continuous. Now, future with will. Will plus the infinitive. Okay? I will travel to Paris next week. Hopefully I'll find some French people. Oh, George, that wasn't... Okay. When do I use this? I use will when the decision for that future event I made right here, right now, in this moment. Okay? In other words, a spontaneous decision. That is when I use will. For example, I have this beautiful apartment in Paris, which I rent. Now, for some reason, there were some plumbing inconvenient, and the apartment is flooded, and water is dripping down to the floors below. Oh my God, you know, I receive a phone call, I'm informed of this, and I answer, don't worry, I will travel to Paris next week. I took that decision right here, right now. Okay? Peter's girlfriend calls him and tells him, oh, Peter, I'm pregnant. And Peter says, because he's a man who does the right thing, says, don't worry, I will marry you. Okay? He took that decision right there in that moment. Future with going to. Going to plus the verb in infinitive. Okay? I am going to do something. You are going to do something. He is going to do something. And she is going to do something too. Okay? I am going to travel to Paris next week. I use this when the decision for that event I took before. Okay, it's a previous decision that I made. This is a plan. It is an intention. Okay? Doesn't matter if I took the decision 10 minutes ago, an hour ago, 10 days ago, 5 months ago. Doesn't matter. I have already taken that decision for that future event. A plan, an intention. I am going to travel to Paris next week is a plan, it's an intention. I will probably go, yes. But if I say I'm going to, it is a plan and intention. Present continuous as future. You need a future time clause, right? I'm having dinner. Right now? No, obviously. I'm having dinner tonight at 9. Tonight at 9, that future clause. I am traveling to Paris. Right now? Obviously not. I am traveling to Paris next week. I use present continuous as future when I have already made some arrangements for this future action. I am traveling to Paris next week. I have my plane tickets. I have my hotel reservations, etc., etc. Okay? I am having dinner tonight at Pierre's restaurant. I've already booked a table. I made a reservation. I have already made some arrangements for that future event. In the end of the day, I will. It works, and if you're not a native speaker and the person who you are talking to you knows that you are not a native speaker, they will probably understand, It's the difference is a very subtle difference. But I'm a complicated guy, believe me. I'm not an easy person. So, if I were your boss and I assigned you a specific task, I don't know, finish a report or something, and this task was supposed to be finished by the end of the week, today being Wednesday, I call you and I ask you, okay, how you doing and how's that thing going along, You tell me, don't worry, I will finish it by the end of the week. What? You took the decision right now to finish it? If I don't call you, you don't do anything? That doesn't work for me. If you say, don't worry, I'm going to finish it by the end of the week, okay, it's better. You have the intention. It's better. But if you tell me, don't worry, I am finishing it by the end of the week, you make me a happy man. Because I know you have already put things in place for that event to happen. Okay? But, don't take me seriously. It's just me. Keep on practicing. Stay strong. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.